Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to repair broken hinges on your glove box. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, this is the assembly now, and in order to remove the hinge right here where the glove box broke, many Audis have that problem, and we're going to try to attempt to fix this one just for fun, see if it works. If not, we will purchase a new one. Get a small hex key right here in the hole so you can push that metal piece out, and this way you'll be able to pull the hinges out of there. Okay, right there. And this is the second one right here. And now we need to remove the hex key. Make sure that you get a small one, and you can remove the hinges like that, both of them. Okay guys, as you can see, we attempted to repair this one. We're using a screw like that. It needs to be a long screw. It's not the prettiest thing, but this one is on the bottom and you won't be even able to see it. You can cover them black and it won't be that visible until we buy a new one. And that's pretty good. I mean, it doesn't give it all. It's pretty sturdy. So what we need to do now, we need to use a little bit bigger bit, probably about the size of the screw, just to go through the glove box right here. So that way the screw will not get tight on the glove box, but it will get tight in this one. And for the hinge we're going to use a smaller one, this one. So let me show you what we're gonna do now. Okay, now with a little bit bigger bit we're going to go in an angle like that. Okay, let me get it here, and just make a hole in the glove box. Okay, like that. And now we need to switch the bits, and we need to get a smaller one that's smaller than the screw, and we need to go through the hinge with it. Okay, now we're going to use the screw and the screwdriver bit for the Okay, we finished one of them, and all we need to do is just have one more like that next to this one. Okay, now we're going to use some black paint, just regular spray will be fine. And with a little bitty brush we're going to paint the 4 screws that we installed, so they will be not that noticeable, even though they will be on the bottom and you won't be even able to see them. Okay, you need to apply probably 2-3 coats to make them black, because they're pretty shiny and the first coat will never cover them. Okay guys, here is the finished result. As you can see, the glove box was not even there, and now we have the 4 screws and you cannot even see them. I told you they're on the bottom, so you have to go all the way down there to find them. Okay, like that. But if you don't know about it, you won't even notice them. And the glove box, as you can see, it opens and it closes perfectly fine. So everything's working great. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, let us know what you think, and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.